At Presidency University, we are talking about women who lead. And we have with us in the campus a very special guest, IPS Officer J.K. Rashmi. Welcome to our campus, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, how was your experience of coming to Presidency University and addressing all the women who are doing such great work in their respective fields?
Thank you. Give the opportunity to me by the Presidency University. Well, first of all, I love the infrastructure. And today, talk to the one session. There is very important. All of women inspired by me, and they love us. Youngsters is the more important to the nation. Next leaders, colleges, build a leaders and create a leaders. That woman is also part of that. Nation is a woman also part of that. One of good privilege to us to talk to our youngsters.
Ma'am, you have brought laurels to the state of Karnataka. You are one police officer everybody looks up to. One message in Kannada to all the women out there.
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಏನಂದರೆ ಧೈರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಜ್ಞಾನವಂತರಾಗಬೇಕು. ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಪವರ್. ದಟ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸಲ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಮೇನ್ ಅಜೆಂಡಾ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೈ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ.
Thank you for speaking with us, ma'am, and thank you for coming to our campus.
Thank you.